Tara, let's go! First time niyang sumama sa atin. Magsundo kay Arya. Ayan, tuturuan ko siya. Dahil bukas, sabi ko sa kanya, siya magsundo. Pwede naman po yan. Allowed po yung ibang tao na magsundo sa anak niyo sa kindergarten. Pero kailangan po isulat yung pangalan. At meron pong photocopy ng kanyang passport. So yan po ang gagawin natin today. Pero first is tuturuan ko siya kung saan yung daan. Baka magliko-liko siya mapunta sa ibang bahay. Katulad ng iba. Charot lang. Wala eh. Joke. So ito po dito. Malapit po kami sa school. Meron pong elementary school dito sa aming right side. Ito naman sa kabila. Bagong-bago na. Hindi pa siya na-open, oh. Wala pang opening. Ano to siya dati? Dito naglalaro sila tipoy dati, eh. Ngayon ay nirenovate nila at ayan na nga, napakabagong ganda, oh. Bago ko renovate na Spielplatz or playground. Dito
sila nag-bike ba anong blender.
So, ayan, oh. Maraming mga bata sa gilid. Hindi naman focus yung mga mukha kaya okay lang videohan. Dito naglalaro si Arya. Dito yung playground. Dito kami minsan. Tapos kapag autumn, ito yung maganda kasi yung mga dahon dito nahuhulog. Grabe yung kulay orange, may red dito. Tapos dyan, ito yung daanan natin. Meron pong tulay dyan, maliit na tulay. Kaya i-show ko sa kanya I will i-show ko sa kanya lahat para alam niya, para hindi siya masaag-saag sa Bisaya pa. Napakaganda ng weather today. Mainit siya, sun is shining, brightly shining. Maganda po ngayon magkain ng ice cream at maggala-gala. Problema, wala pang sahod. So, maganda lang po na tayo window shopping or spot siren, lakan-lakan lang. Go to the nature. Hindi naman kailangan talaga ng ay, mag paddleboard sana tayo dyan next time. Pero medyo malamig pa kasi kapag mahulog ka sa tubig, mag-ice ka talaga. Mga ano na siguro, mga pag malapit na talaga yung summer, siguro May, ganyan pwede na. Ito yung maliit na tulay sa amin. Don't forget, ha? Dadaan ka ng tulay. Okay?
Wow!
Wala pa yan. Punta tayo dun sa ano.
Cherry blossom. Cherry blossom na, dili.
Oo, cherry blossom. Nagandahan siya. Pero meron pang ganito na cherry blossom. Doon banda. Punta kaya tayo doon. Gusto mo? Malapit lang naman dito. You know? Okay, go. You walk here. Go. Aesthetic. Oh. Nice, no? Handa. Ay. Akala ko pulutin mo yung mga flowers.
Ang t-shirt, di pa swilahan mo na.
Pang PE, may t-shirt. Oy, tara. Na nakalagay City of Tagum. Sama na, eh. Yan, narinig mo si Arya dyan. Yan na yung kindergarten ni Arya. Pasok po muna tayo dyan. Ay! Dankeschön. So happy. Halaka. Halaka ang saya niya. Sinundo ni Tia.
Yeah?
Who get you? Tia get you.
Di okay na yan. Paon ko. Ay, ako makuha siya.
Oh.
Ano sa man? Ulay.
It's your first time being in my kindergarten.
Yes, first time.
Hindi ako ano.
Wow, very responsible girl.
Long is already picked up.
Ah, okay. Good. Come.
So I think I was crying.
You were crying? Why? Why? Ah, because of Tia. You thought that Tia will not get you? But now Tia get you already. Arya, we go first here because Tia likes to have a picture with the cherry blossom, the very nice cherry blossom. Hey.
I'm just gonna play, okay?
No. Wow. Ganda, oh. Ali, Jai. Dari ka, Jai.
What's your friend, ABC?
Ako, wag picnic diri, Jai. Look at that. Give that to me, babe. Warm? Is it warm? Okay. Tia wants to have a picture with the cherry blossom. Ah, you too? Okay, wait lang. Ayan, nakuha na natin si Arya. Pero magstay muna sila dito sa playground kasi magluluto po muna ako. Magluto ako ng spaghetti bolognese. At buti na lang, andito si Tia. Siya po ang magbantay muna. Ayan. O, diba? Ikaw muna bantay dito. Alam mo na kung paano magbantay? Ayun ang anak natin, oh. Sige, ciao! Cheers! So, hello, blenders! We're going to Tropical Island! Woo! Ayan, since nag-timing po ang vacation ni Tia, dahil meron silang 1 week na vacation, kaya andito tayo ngayon sa Berlin. Dito siya nagstay sa atin. At timing din na free ang papa ni Arya. Kaya tawali ka. Kaya naisipan natin na mag mini vacation. Like 1 night lang. 2 days and 1 night. Magstay po tayo sa Tropical Island. Na-vlog ko na po dati yung Tropical Island. It's a indoor island. Talagang nakakamangha kasi nasa loob. Parang island talaga siya, totoong island, pero naka-cover, no? Covered dahil sa Germany malamig. Kaya yun yung ginawa nila. Good idea. So today makikita na ni Jaira kung anong itsura ng Tropical Island. Spring na po dito. So nakikita nyo, meron na pong mga bulaklak, may dahon na po yung mga puno, and it's warm. So hindi tayo nagsuot ng jacket, pero nagdala pa rin tayo ng jacket dyan dahil sa Sunday or bukas malamig. Kaya better na maging handa po tayo. Hi pretty girl! Super cute! Hi! So today, Arya, you show to Tia where's the Tropical Island. You've been there already, right?
Yeah, but she's gone.
No! Tropical Island is always in Berlin.
Hello!
Hi! Dito na po tayo ngayon sa Berlin, Friedrichstraße. At grabe, ang ganda po. One of the tourist attraction dito sa Berlin. Sumasakay sila ng shift. Someday, hala! Hala ka na! Umiinom! First time ko siya nakita. Nag-inom siya. Anong tawag yan? Desperado.
Daddy, is
Sino
that
da?
our train?
May ganyan ba sa Philippines? Wala.
Daddy, is that our
Wala?
train?
Dito lang yan. Yan. Meron po tayong dalang mga pagkain, prutas, dahil mahal po sa loob. Ayan. Ayan na po yung ating train. Sakay po muna kami. It takes around 1 hour. Marami po tayong prutas na dala. May baon po tayo. May rice din. Ayan, that's good. Better po ang prutas kaysa sa... Pero marami din po tayong chips. So, half-half. Chips and fruits. But this is actually Arya's favorite. Na, Arya? And Tia, how are you, Tia, now? How are you? Ha? Nakainom siya ng Desperados. Pinainom siya. Sino nagpainom sa'yo? Yeah, nagpainom. Hi! Uy! Welcome back. Welcome back? Ayaw. Sige. Ayaw pa rin niya. So, no more back. You should, I should welcome back. You want to join to the YouTube or no? No more? And not anymore? Sorry guys, let's have the privacy. his privacy. So, pasensya na kayo kung kami pa lang po palagi yung nasa video. Kasi ayaw niya maki-join sa ating YouTube. She's very busy.
And Tropical Island.
Grand Tropical Island.
Daddy?
You wear your brille.
We are almost there in Tropical Island.
Welcome. Uy, they're still waiting. So, buti na lang late yung shuttle bus. Kung hindi, maghintay na yun ng 2 hours. Ayan! Yay! Look! Wow! Thank you, Lord! Perfect yung pagbaba natin dahil andyan na po siya. Kakarating lang po ng bus. Where's your daddy? Should we go the other side?
Excuse me, madam.
Excuse me, madam. Okay. Yay! Hi! We're good on time, right? The best. Aww.
Oh, chips now.
Eh? You're hungry? Are you excited? Where's the chips here? Will you show to Tia the tropical island later?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh.
There's a lot of things you can swim. There's even small pools.
Oh.
When I was little,
Yeah?
I was there with my friend.
Which friend? You remember? Huh? Fiona? No, it was...
2 times already.
Yeah.
Alex.
Yeah.
And then with Roda.
With your brothers.
Schweiß das auch.
Fiona not. Fiona in the other pool.
Fiona was neighbor Fiona's house.
Yeah.
That's the other. But we go there in May.
Yeah.
Next time?
Yes.
May
What?
next month. We go
Next
there.
month. Okay.
What will you show to Tia?
All of the
Tia?
things from Tropical Island.
Wow. Do you have your swimsuit?
Yes, it's my mom. My daddy's done.
Mine. Where's my swimsuit?
Huh?
Where's my swimsuit?
I don't know.
Said earlier, I'm going to wear swimsuit.
There's also the apartment for them, but step up like.
It's super big. How many?
We almost there. How many
Hectares?
stops? 2 or 3 or 4 or 5?
So
How many stops?
we will stay inside.
Only 1 stop, Daddy.
Oh no, 2.
Two.
There you go. The indoor inland. Yay! Welcome. Almost there.
Island swimming.
Going to slide?
There is a slide.
Is it?
Do you want?
Yesterday, you want to slide? Like royalty?
You wanna go to slide also?
Family, that's my wish. My wish come true.
My wish come true though. It's hot today, right?
There's camping area.
Yeah, here's the camping area.
Oh, I can see a big.
Huh?
Big look.
It's our because of this.
Yeah, because it's making me like oh, there's a tree. Oh, it's making me also think. Oh,
Tropical island.
look, we are closer. We're closer.
Oh, super big, na? Like how many kilometers? But it's good today. There's not so much
Only
people.
one stop or 2, I forgot.
But today's nice
Oh.
weather. Maybe so much.
2. But in the weekend, there's a lot of people. I hope. Today is not so much. Look, not so much. Auto. Oh yeah, it's warm. Today we have a very nice weather. It's great to stay outside, but Aingang daw siya.
Yeah, often then it is taken views.
Or the reception. Reception? We go to reception better.
Often then is reception.
Daddy, can we go in there still? Should we go in there? Are we allowed now?
Yes.
Yeah, because there's a
You remember? Oh, so happy girl. We are here because of you. Hello. You remember here? La, let's have a picture here first. Tropical Island. La, oh, here lang galing ka here. I'll take a picture here. Stand up here. Well, look at. Oh my God. Dance. 1, 2, 3. I make a video. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Here, pull. Ah, so heavy. 2, 3. Lara. Herzlich willkommen. Yes. So, mag-check-in po muna tayo. 2, 3. Oh, hot no? Super hot no? Ay, nagtanggal na siya ng pullover kaya ang init kasi po dito. Check-in na tayo. Akala ko hindi pwede babayad ng cash. Pwede pala magbayad ng cash. Bayad tayo. Naka-check-in na po tayo. Nalagay na yung lahat ng pangalan. 100 each person.
It's my first time seeing 200 euro. Let me see that. Wow. My first time seeing 200 euro.
First time.
200 lang per taman. Kapag 500.
There, 500.
200 pesos. Oh, seems nice.
Ano, may 500. Pero 1,000, hindi ako sure. Parang wala ata. Okay mo na yun. Okay, naiinit na siya ba? Okay na kasi.
Tingnan, ang daan nga.
Ito po yung ating gagamitin para magbili tayo or going inside to the entrance.
I have green.
Yes.
Okay, it's okay, fast.
So all of us, here, all Power Ranger. Let's go.
Island.
Yay. Now, wait, Arya. Do. Okay, go. Then ish. Then now it's Tia. Welcome, Tia. The shy girl. Ulak ka. Tingnan nyo, oh. Ayan na po. Ito na po tayo ngayon. Give it to me. Swai eins. Mag-stay po tayo sa isang room. Swai eins for eins. Ayan. Mga kwarto dito. Dito ba tayo o sa? Dito tayo ngayon naglalakad going sa entrance, and then dito po tayo sa traveler's lunch. Dito tayo sa isang hotel. Meron na po ito mga shops. Ang bumili. Kalimutan mo bumili na swimsuit. Meron po dito lahat. Dito po maraming afam. Baka tayo lang po yung Pilipino dito. Papunta si Ari dito ako. Meron din mag-braids. May photo box. Maaari kang manalo ng isang apple!
Ay, ang laki naman, oy.
Medyo malaki to. Malaki ang tropical island.
Uy, kapoy na. Kapoy. Lakap.
Pagpunta sa Tiya. Malaki kasi ito. May nice daw. Pero oh, ayan. Ay, sa wakas.
Ay. Sa wakas. Nakita na namin yung uy, ang init, uy. Wow.
Yan po mga bahay kasi dyan po tayo mag-stay. Parang bahay namin noon. Welcome sa Ohana Lodge. Let's go. 211.
It's been kapot.
Uy, ito maganda, malamig.
Ay, thank you, Lord.
So, zweites Stock.
2112. Wow, we are in the last.
Zweite Etage, das wird lauter.
You said 2112.
Yeah.
Going down. Buti na lang dito po, medyo malamig siya. Yeah. Hindi mainit sa ulo. Walang elevator. Ang bigat naman ang ating bag. Grabe, ang laki. Ang laki na yung pupuntahan. Sakit sa kaya, Mel.
Let's go.
So, 2-1.
Ay, thank you.
Yay. Hit
Yay.
siya.
Dili man.
Wow. Welcome.
Wow.
It's big.
Nur was zu Zimmer. 2 Rooms.
Huh?
2 Rooms.
2 rooms?
Yes.
Yeah, why you not ask? Actually, this is a bathroom thing. This is the room of. This is the bed of Tia and Arya. Yes, for the first time, she will sleep alone.
Huh? No? No.
Because you have a one bed for you. You not sleep with Mama anymore. Yay! You're a big girl now. The chef does.
Ay, sabi kayo mag-ubag.
Okay. Ang ating videographer nagreklamo daw siya. Sabi niya, nakakapagod na, Mami. So, bakit Mami ang tawag niya sa akin? Ay,
Daddy?
na-vlog naman natin, Nino. This is our room and Arya will do the room tour. Yes. Room tour. Hi, guys. So, Arya will do the...
Room tour.
Okay. What is that? So, this is our bed. And then, in this side, what is that, Arya? In this side is...
The same.
There's a safe. And the safe is for Nathan. You remember the last time Nathan locked it? The safe? When we were in France? Then we called the security. Okay, after the safe, we have the shrunk, the cabinet where you can hang your jacket, or you can hang your jacket po. Miss Joyra, Kate, Marie. Yeah, thank you. And now, come here, girl. Little girl. Okay, and then, what you're gonna see in the room? We have toilet and a shower. This is the lavatory. Where's the shower? This is a shower? What is this here? Ah, here's the shower. There's no bathtub. So this is a shower, guys. And then on the other side, of course, in the shower, there's a water. And the dryer and toilet. It's separate. And then,
We have our bed.
yay! This bed is for...
Papa and Mama.
Oh, why it's for Papa and Mama only?
Because we have another room.
Yeah. And feel of sand. And you are now a big girl and you can sleep by your own, right? So this is Tia and Arya's room. Yay.
Room tour.
Room tour. Okay, what else?
Here is a chair.
Yeah, there's a chair here.
Right?
Yeah, turn on the light.
Oh.
Oh.
And there's my bed, and I have this.
Yeah, you also have a card. And you're gonna sleep alone. Tia, you must laka. You must know your things, Tia. It's not your side, it's Arya's bed, right? Okay, and now
Here's the table and the light. Here.
you have another chair and you can even look outside. Look.
Look.
You can bring your friends for free inside.
Oh, and we have a food.
And here is the cushion.
Wow, that's a cool shrunk. Yes, it's good that we bring our own food now. We are hungry and we have.
Is this ready? And here's a map
Yes. For what is it, si map?
to find our room. Because we already have our room. Look.
Okay. Can I take you a picture, please? No. And what else?
Here is for our shoes.
Yes, it's for our bags and shoes and for hanging. So, finish now the room tour.
Yes.
Thank you for watching now here.
Oh, here's the door too.
Yes, the door. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
See you later.
See you in a few minutes. Peace.
Look. Oh my God. Ayo, jump to me.
Go. 1, 2, 3, go. Wow. Wow.
Malakasi! Arya! Ayo, tutukot! Si Orlando, Papa. Look, sinususo. Sina Papa. Wow!